Hey people, Kiara's here from iDigi Affiliate. Today we're going to continue on our Clickbank case study here of my sending emails through myleadgensecret. Now, let's continue going. We did not get a sale yesterday, but we did get a lot of I'm going to show you the reporting here. Go to yesterday. We got a ton of clicks, people checking it out. So, we're going to continue on from that point. We go to the marketplace, and you make sure you want to go to e-business and e-marketing. Now, e-business and e-marketing is the area in which people sign into myleadgensecret for. So that's why e-business and e-marketing usually works the best. Now, I'm not saying you can't get a sale with others, because at the end of the day, people are people. They're going to be interested in things. So you could try other things, but they signed into myleadgensecret to learn how to make money on. That's the reason they signed in. That was the question asked. That's the niche that they are interested in for sure. So we're gonna go with social paid. We've seen the best results with social paid, so we're gonna stick to that for a little bit. Let's click on the affiliate page. I'm sorry, the new Clickbank page kind of throwing me off a little bit, so I'd be confused a bit for a second. All right, so we're gonna go to email swipes here. We're gonna go to the second one here. Oh no, man. Let's go to the third one. I feel like I don't sent that one like 3 times, but you know what? Let's go back to it. Let's go with this. I don't figure out what the title's gonna be here. Right, let me log in to my account here. This is myleadgensecret. What myleadgensecret is a program that which you can send emails to leads, right? You send them to leads, and you get 100 leads every single day, unless you get a sale in myleadgensecret, and you start getting bonus leads. And the thing is, when you sign into myleadgensecret, you can make another account and be an affiliate for yourself. You understand? Yeah. I've done that for 3 different accounts. Got my affiliates here, so I'm constantly making money because I got people signed in as well. But you see, I got a ton of recurring commissions here. Made $100. I got $100 from this, and I ain't even mailing my myleadgensecret. You know what I mean? So anyway, let's keep it going here. We're gonna go to mailing system. Click on it like that. Click all your leads. All right, so we're gonna post this here. Now, titles, I like switching them up for different reasons. Hiring 3 people to comment on YouTube videos. All right, so it looks good. Did I spell? I feel like I ain't spelled it right. I definitely didn't. Sorry about that. Not the greatest spelling in the world. So we get this on here. Get the body. Right, so copy that. Paste it, right? Paste it into the body here. Boom. I like pinning social paid here. I seem to get better results by pinning social paid there, so not bold, italicized it. That, get perfect timing. All right, and that's why we're hiring 3 people to answer. Just get rid of this part. To answer these comments on behalf of them. Hi name. Now we could pick. Could keep high name in there, or you could just erase that part if you want to. So we're gonna, that's for it to look a little different. make people, when they click in, they don't automatically know what's going on with the email. But it looks slightly different. They're more interested in clicking on it and like trying to figure out what this is about, and they got a better chance of getting a sale, so to speak. So I'm gonna get our email here, y'all. Man, it's so weird. I'm not used to this. This is weird. Okay, this is very weird to me. It's tripping me out. But let's keep it going here. I've just been used to it being a certain way for so long that this new one just kind of knocking me out a little bit. Anyway, we put the link in there like that, right? I think that's pretty good. Yeah. Now we can hit the preview here. Okay, so the link works. So we good to go. Send the email. Make sure you click on perfect timing. What perfect timing does, it'll send the email around the time that you that they check their emails, so they got a better chance of opening and seeing what's going on. All right, sent that email there. All right, so we're gonna go to account here. We're gonna hit that button. We're gonna hit mailing system here. Now see, we're gonna log out here. We're gonna log out on this account. We're gonna go to our next account. If you got multiple accounts, this is the best way to do it, so you can go through it really fast here. And all you gotta do is copy paste at this point. Control A, C, Control V, beat that, boom, boom, boom. Control A, C, Control V. All right, then you just change the link so you'll know that it is coming from a different account. All right. So we hit that and we got it going, and it's good. Very good email, very well done email, I think, and personally. Like, just do some slight edits so it looks a little different, I think. I think that works the best. Okay, we log out. You can send the same exact email, that'll work too. Like, it's not that big of a deal, to be honest with you. It doesn't really matter, but I like to try stuff. I like to try different things. So anyway, we're gonna click on that there. Click on this. Okay, perfect. Boom. Boom. All right, so that is done. Very easy to do. You spend 5 minutes doing this every morning. Oh, I'm sorry, I meant to hit 3. Spend 5 minutes doing this every morning and you're good to go. You know what I mean? You can really build up an income with it, especially if you have the right offer. We're using Clickbank, but there are multiple other ways to make like a ton of money off of this, like Saving Highway Global. That's one that I promote. I have promoted in the past, and you can build you a recurring income by getting people into it, right? And then you got there's a bunch of programs out there that work out pretty well. Recently I've been looking over a new program to promote, which looks the best so far. Gotta look more into it. I don't want to speak on it too much until I really figure it out, but give me like a week or two and I'll tell you how I feel about it. And I'll make a video about it. The best program to promote on Clickbank. To build up actual income. Because number one, it got to be recurring, right? Number one, you got to have recurring income so you can make money monthly. Number two, it's got to be engaging. It's got to be something people want, people need. That's what I've been looking into. And Saving Highway Global is very good program to sign into to build recurring income. That's one of the cheapest I've ever found. I'm gonna look for another one, and I'm looking over a new one, see how it is. But we'll talk about that later. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell so you can get notifications of my new videos when they come out. For some reason, YouTube need more steps. I don't understand that. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.